He fought battles only he could feel. Now he is back, stronger, quieter, and more determined than ever. Min Yoongi, known as Suga or Augusti, has returned from serving in the Korean public service. This is his story, marked by resilience, reflection, and the unspoken bond with army. Unlike other BTS members, Suga served in public service due to a shoulder injury. He began in September 2023 and worked in his hometown of Daegu. Though not in active duty, his role was essential, supporting local administrative work while maintaining his quiet strength. During his service, Suga chose to stay in the background. No viewers updates, no public photos, just silent dedication. Fans respected his privacy, understanding this time wasn't for the spotlight but for healing and grounding. In June 2025, Suga completed his public service and quietly returned to BTS. His return wasn't announced with headlines or fan events, but ARMY felt it. Within Festa 2025 moments, in shared looks and sincere smiles, his presence said more than words ever could. Suga is the poet, the producer, and the thinker. Even away from the spotlight, his artistry remained loud. ARMY shared messages like, "We felt your presence even in the quiet," and "Save your shoes, Yoongi. We will walk with you again." As of now, no solo comebacks has been announced, but ARMYs know these things. With his return comes new music, new depth, and new strength. Whether behind the scenes or center stage, Suga's next movement is one to watch. Just after his discharge, Min Yoongi made us proud yet again, donating 5 billion won, about $3.6 million, to build the Min Yoongi Treatment Center for Children with Autism. He also spent weekends teaching guitar and helping kids through the Mind Therapy program. His action inspired ARMY to donate over 200 million won. The very next morning, Min Yoongi returned in silence, but the impact is loud. Leave a comment with your favorite Suga memory and subscribe for more honest BTS stories with heart. Bora hai.